In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos inside Remini app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you want to do is open up the Remini app on your mobile device. Now from here, you'll be taken to the home page. And now under where it says enhance, you got photos and videos, and your camera roll should be appearing here. If it isn't, go ahead and click on that little image icon next to videos, like so. Now hit, as you can see, this is my camera roll. And now we can just scroll down here and find the photos you would like to edit inside the Remini app. Or if you want to click on albums, you can choose a photo inside an album. So as you can see, I'm in my album, so I want to go to my download section here. So I'm going to click on downloads. And now if I want to upload, say, this image, for example, I'm going to click on the image. And now you will see a preview of the image, and then you can click on either enhance or fix face. And you can do the same with video. So yeah, do the exact same process with a video.